Welcome to the assembly video for the Mosquito. It's fairly straightforward. These are the parts you should have: 2 bodies and 4 halves of engines. This is 1/200 scale model, but whichever size you've got, it'll be pretty much the same. On top of this, you're going to want a small file and some glue to put it together. Humbrol polycement is excellent. So straight on to what to do first. Need to remove these circles which just help the model to print. It should be pretty straightforward to come off. It's like we need to be careful of this one at the back. That's one. Okay, those are the 2 halves. If there's any cleaning up to be done, then probably worth doing it now. These don't look too bad. This hole at the bottom is for the mounting post or a magnet if you put one there. It's useful to make sure that it's flat by running a file over the edge just to make sure there's no raised points. So I'll just do that now. Both sides, of course. There we go, and then the 2 halves will go together. So put some glue on them straight away. Get glue on both sides and then just give it a few seconds to go tacky before we put it back together. Let's hope that's enough. Just make sure everything's lined up. Okay, so put the lid back on my glue. So we can put that aside for a moment while we work on the engines. 2 engines, 1 for each side. They're both identical, so you just need to pair them up. So they're both the same, so it doesn't matter which way around they are. We just need to glue these together as well. There we go, pretty straightforward. Just wipe away the excess there. Okay, so we need to give everything a few minutes to dry, so we'll just stop for a moment and come back. Okay, so once everything's had a chance to dry, all we've got left to do is to stick the engines onto the aeroplane. Need to make sure that these surfaces where we're going to stick it onto are nice and flat. So just run a file over there. Take out any small misalignments that might exist. I want that nice and flat so we get a good contact. Same on the other side. I don't feel too bad. Aeroplane should be fine because it's a single piece, so we just need to, well, it's fairly obvious where they go, and they should match up nicely, so just put a bit of glue on there. Okay, a bit of glue on both sides. Again, give it a chance to go tacky. Just like put them on, make sure everything lines up. And once it's dry there, it is complete.